this is AarushiOswal this side. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to let you guys know that Sephora is launching with Too Faced. Wow, isn't that amazing? One of my favorite brands is finally coming down to Sephora, and I'm going to be showing you using their favorite products, and let's get started.
So the first thing I will be using is Born This Way concealer in the shade light beige. We're going to be applying this concealer all over the eyes, and we're going to blend the concealer consistently. So the next step is, by applying orange concealer, I'm going to be doing color correcting on my face. After color correcting, I'm going to be using one of my favorite foundations, which is Born This Way, which is a matte foundation, and I'm using the shade light beige. The consistency of this foundation is super lightweight, yet the coverage is full. So all you need is one layer of application and you are good to go. You do not need a second layer of application, but if you still wish to add another layer of foundation, you can do so. Make sure to apply the foundation evenly all over the face, starting from the jawline and working your way up. Do not forget to apply the foundation on your neck. Moving on, I will be using Born This Way concealer in the shade light beige, and I'm going to be concealing underneath my eye area, around the mouth area, and on my T-zone. This way, all the highlight points are going to brighten up and my underneath eye area is going to get full coverage. You can already see the difference. The under eye is looking fantastic. Make sure to apply it in the dabbing motion evenly all over the face. Following up with the next step, I'm going to be using Too Faced compact powder to set my foundation. This way, my foundation is going to stay on for longer duration, at least 12 hours. The coverage of this foundation is not too heavy as well, so your face does not feel cakey at all. Next step, I'm going to be using Kitty Like to Scratch eyeshadow palette, which is a very highly pigmented eyeshadow palette, and it is a nice palette to carry in your kit. And you can travel with this palette as well. And you can see in one go the color application is so good. And the best part about this is zero fallout. So starting with the outer corner, we're going to start blending the eyeshadow and blend your work inwards. There you go. And let's do the same step on the other eyes as well. Here we are using a blending brush to apply our eyeshadow. Following that, I will be using a soft baby pink shimmery eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm going to be doing the application right in the center of my eyelid. We're going to be doing the same thing on the other side. This eye makeup is basically called halo eye makeup. Next, I will be using Killer Kajal, which I'm using as an eyeliner on top, and I can use this on the bottom as well. The application is super smooth. It is a long-lasting eyeliner. It does not smudge, so it's a good eyeliner to invest in. It is actually one of my favorite eyeliners from Too Faced. You can see the application is super smooth. So once you apply the eyeliner, I'm going to be taking black color eyeshadow from the Too Faced palette, and I'm going to set my Kajal eyeliner on top. Here I'm using an angle brush to set my Kajal pencil. Same kajal pencil, I will be using this to create an inner wing liner and my bottom. Look at the difference. The kajal pencil is a really pigmented kajal pencil. It is a good kajal pencil to invest in. You can see the difference between both my eyes. Here I'm using Better Than Sex Mascara. Who has not heard about this mascara? It is one of the most popular mascaras out there in the market, and it is hands down amazing mascara. I personally love this mascara. I've had a great time shopping at Sephora, and I'm so thrilled that Sephora is finally having my favorite brand, which is Too Faced. Using lip injection by Too Faced, the shade is called Extreme. This lip injection is going to give me an instant plump to my lips. It's going to give a fuller lip. You can apply this right before applying your lipstick or lip stain. I can already feel the plumpiness. Here I'm finishing off by using a Too Faced lip stain. The color is nude. It is my favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did creating this look. And you guys must go check out Sephora nearby, and they are going to be carrying Too Faced. Amazing brand. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you guys soon. Love you.